Nice to meet you, engineers. Welcome to Assembly Composer Express training. In this session, you will see how to assign the super elevation properties to the selected links. We will start from the previous section. To do this, we will go to the input-output parameters and we will create a parameter for the super elevation and super elevation axis of rotation in order to shift or move up down for the selected links. That means for link 1 and link 4. Now let's create the super elevation. Create this one. The type of for the super elevation is super elevation automatically. When you select the super elevation, it gives us the name, the direction, the default value, and the display name. And for this, we will say by default none. And we will add also another. We create a parameter super elevation axis of rotation. Super elevation axis of rotation. By default, as they give us the support for the name, direction, default, and display name. Now we will go to the properties and we will assign the axis. We will apply the axis of rotation for the selected links or for the given links. We will go to the link 1. Under link 1, there is apply axis of rotation, apply AOR. That means we check this one, and for the L4, by the default L4 is the slope is the same and it is a link. If L1 is changed, another, no problem, L4 will automatically change it. And to see the super elevation by importing, we go to the super elevation. We will increase the super elevation. We increase the values and it give us the link change according to the inserted value. For example, the left inside lane slope, we can change for the left inside shoulder slope, left outside lane slope, left outside shoulder slope, and for the another. For now, we will use the right outside shoulder slope. Okay. This we will add, for example, add this elevation one, 4%. What will be changed? You will see on the preview. Now anything doesn't change. Therefore, we should go to the property and set the parameters or override. To do this, we will go to P2 and under P2 the super elevation override slope. We go to right outside lane slope. For the preview, this will be unenabled. No need to the target another's. This unenabled. Uncheck. And we can increase this value. For example, for the light outside lane slope, 12%. To increase fit to screen to see more. We can be negative 12%. It decreases. We can give according to our design. Now what we see, it should be on the target. On the target should be override. For now, this for the outside lane slope. Now we don't need. We are finishing how to assign the super elevation. For this also check. And this is all about how to assign the super elevation for the selected links. In the next session, we will see how to add the codes, point code, link code, and shape code. If there is anything not clear, drop in the comment, and see you next tutorial. Stay safe on site and keep building. And thank you so much for your attention.